You're watching Tap Tech, the place where we make tech simple. We test and review the latest gadgets so you can decide if they're really worth buying. Today we're looking at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, Samsung's biggest and most powerful tablet yet. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is made for people who want a tablet that can replace a laptop for work and still be perfect for entertainment. It's also aimed at artists, students, and anyone who loves a huge screen with top performance. Samsung designed it to be slim, stylish, and loaded with features. The first thing you notice is the size. It has a massive 14.6-inch AMOLED display. That's stunning to look at. The bezels are extremely thin, so almost all you see is screen. Despite the size, the tablet is very slim at just 5.5 millimeters thick, and it feels surprisingly light for its size. The body is made from armor aluminum, which is strong and helps protect it from bending. It's available in classic dark colors, giving it a premium professional look. The display is one of the best you can get on any tablet. It's a dynamic AMOLED to X panel with a resolution of 2960 by 1848. Colors are bright and accurate. Blacks are deep, and the 120 Hz refresh rate makes everything feel super smooth. Whether you're watching movies, browsing, or drawing, the display is clear and beautiful. It also gets very bright, so you can use it comfortably outdoors. Samsung's Vision Booster helps keep colors accurate even in bright sunlight. Performance is top tier. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. Apps open instantly, multitasking is fluid, and it handles heavy tasks like 4K video editing without slowing down. For gamers, this tablet can run the most demanding mobile games at high settings without stutter. The large screen and smooth refresh rate make games look and feel amazing. Samsung has also improved heat management. So even during long gaming sessions or heavy creative work, the tablet stays cool. Storage options go up to 1 terabyte, and you can expand it with a micro SD card. Software plays a big part in the experience. It runs Android with Samsung's One UI 6.1, which is optimized for large screens. You can open up to 3 apps side by side in split screen mode and have more in floating. Windows. Samsung DeX lets you connect the tablet to a monitor or use it like a desktop with a taskbar and resizable windows. This makes it great for work, especially if you add the optional keyboard cover. The S Pen stylus comes in the box and works beautifully with the huge display. It's responsive, accurate, and has almost no lag. It's great for note-taking, drawing, and editing. Samsung Notes and Clip Studio Paint are just a couple of the apps that take full advantage of it. The S Pen also charges wirelessly when it's attached magnetically to the back of the tablet. Battery life is solid for such a large and powerful device. 12,000 mAh battery can easily last a full day of mixed use, and with lighter use, it can go into a second day. It supports 45 West fast charging, which can get you from 0 to 100% in about 90 minutes. There's no wireless charging, but the fast wired charging is quick enough to make up for it. The audio is excellent. With 4AK G-Tune speakers that deliver clear, rich sound with good bass, watching movies or playing games without headphones, it still sounds immersive. For calls and video chats, there's a dual front camera setup that keeps you centered and in focus, even if you move around. The rear camera system is capable enough for document scanning, quick shots, or even some creative photography. Though most people will use their phone for serious photography, connectivity is strong. The Wi-Fi 7 support for fast wireless speeds, Bluetooth 5.34 accessories, and optional 5G models for mobile internet. The USB-C port supports fast data transfer and can connect to external drives and monitors price-wise. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is definitely premium. It costs more than most tablets, but that's expected for the size, display quality, and performance. It's more of a laptop replacement than just a tablet, so the price makes sense if you plan to use it for both work and play. The pros are clear: incredible display, top-notch performance, long battery life, great speakers, excellent multitasking features, and the included S Pen. The only real cons are the high price. Its large size, which can be hard to hold one-handed, and the fact that the best typing experience comes with the extra cost keyboard overall. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is one of the best tablets you can buy. If you want the biggest screen, the best performance, and a device that can do almost everything, it's hard to beat. Whether you're working, creating, or relaxing with a movie, this tablet delivers. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and honest tech reviews.